Now we study literature and philosophy. End of the 18th and the beginning of the 19th century, the famous Caliph Harun al-Rashid, he inspired the legends and found a place in the stories of the 1001 Night. The Arabic translated literary works from the other part of the world. Sanskrit work Panchatantra also translated into Arabic language as a Kalala wa Damena. Later it is translated into European language, and the Islamic poetry in the Persian language attained great height around the 12th century. A work of the worldwide fame, the Rubaiyat by Omar Khayyam, was a very famous artwork. Muslim philosophers deeply influenced by the rational ideas of Greek philosophers. Aristotle, they influenced by the teachings of the Aristotle. They translated a number of Greek philosophical work into their own language. Science, Muslim scientists initially studied and translated Greek and Indian work in astronomy, astrology, medicine, and later they made a new contribution to this field. Arab made great progress in the use of the lenses and built observatories that provide accurate astronomical data. They found the earth rotates on its own axis and revolves around the sun. Arab philosophers, the scientists like Rahaz and the Ibn Sina, made great contribution in the field of diagnosing diseases. Arab ruler built hospitals and encouraged the study of medicine. Ibn Sina's work, the Canon of the Medicine, was used in many medical schools. Alchemists searched for the philosopher's stone and believed could turn common metal into the gold. The progress they discovered new metals, drugs and other substances. They attained great expertise in chemistry and preparing medicines. Mathematics, Arab borrowed the decimal system of the concept of zero from India. Indian numerical 1 to 9 and 0 introduced in Europe by the Arabs. This come to known as a Hindu Arabic numericals. Arab invented the algebra. They learned Greek concept of geometry and made remarks on progress of trigonometry. Architecture and art. Islamic architecture flourished under the Byzantine and Persian rulers, who built palaces, libraries, educational institutions, hospitals, mosques and tombs. New features, onion-shaped dome, were introduced. Islam does not allow the use of human forms in decoration. Islamic painting and sculpture depicted geometric patterns and floral design. Buildings were often decorated with mosaic and calligraphy. These were famous in the period of the architecture and art in the period of the Muslim era. Read the chapter well and try to mark the questions.